Hi everyone, this is William from Merck Life Science Malaysia and Singapore. Have you received a box like this from our salespeople? If yes, congratulations! You must have been identified as a great and supportive customer of Merck's cell culture and plant tissue culture products. Today, we proudly present to you Everything Begins with Cells campaign. It's a campaign with a concept of growing everything from a cell. I believe it's something that you are already doing, either growing mammalian cell culture or plant tissue culture. Therefore, we are giving out seed planting boxes in which you can grow your own greens at home. At Merck, we cultivate consistency and we have all the solutions needed for your cell culture needs. So meanwhile, enjoy the process and do share with us all your amazing journey of growing your own greens. Thank you so much and have fun! Let us do the unboxing of the seed planting kit. So this is the cover of the box. And at the back, you can see there is a crossword. You can play with it. We have also provided our social media account here as well, so please tag us once you receive this kit. So let us look at what is inside of the box. So we have a nice cover of the box over here. So you must poke to get the items inside. So let's see, what do we have over here? Let us start from here. We have some vases. We have 2 bags of fertilizers. We have a pair of gloves. We have a spray bottle. We have a permanent marker. And we also have some sticks for you to label the seeds. We have a shovel. And we have 2 big bags of soil over here. Let us look at what seeds do we have. We have corn, lettuce, chili, bok choy, kai lan, bayam, kangkong, and also coriander. Not to forget, we have some cards inside. So the first one is a message to all of you. We are also providing some cards of our products. You can scan here for more information and you can find it online. Not to forget, we also would like to share you some nutritional value of the seeds that we have over here. So this is how the entire box looks like. Hope you enjoy the seed planting and have fun. Thank you.